Hello all, welcome back. Today we'll solve a problem about profit and losses. So the question goes like this. Shopkeeper offers a discount of 22% on the market price of each chair, and he gives 13 chairs to a customer for the discounted price of 12 chairs, and he earns 26% profit on this transaction. If the cost price of each of the chair is 100 rupees, then what is the market price of the chair? So let's assume the market price of chair as M here. Now we know the customer is given at a discount of 22%. So this will give us the new selling price of this chair would be 1 minus 0.22 into M. So this is the price of one chair. So in this transaction, the customer only paid for 12 chairs. So the total cost or the total value of the transaction was 12 into 1 minus 0.22 M. So this is the total selling price. Now in this transaction he had made a profit of 26%. See, so how do we define profit? Profit percentage is nothing but selling price divided by cost price minus 1 into 100. So this is the profit percentage. Now we already got the selling price. Now we need to understand the cost price, and we already know this is 26%, which is already given. Now we have to find what is the selling price out of this equation. Now the cost price is, since there were 13 chairs sold and each chair costs us 100 rupees, so the total cost price would be 1300. So that is SP divided by 1300 minus 1 will be equal to 26 by 100. Now rearrange each of these terms. This will give us selling price equal to 1 plus 26 divided by 100 into getting this 1300 here will give us like this. But we already know the SP from the equation above. The total selling price is nothing but this. So let's substitute this. Now we will have 12 into 1 minus 22 by 100 into M equal to 1300 into 1 plus 26 divided by 100. Now we have this equation in M, and upon solving M we will get M equal to 175. So the market price of each of the chairs is 175 rupees.